Okay, so I've had this bumper for about a year now. I've done pretty much everything with it that you can do, and I've got to say it's pretty good, pretty good. My only complaint that I really have about it is the fact that when you go to fill up your gas, and I know that on the TJs, people were having problems with their license plate mount here, but on a YJ you have your fuel filler in here, and this is in the way when you try to fill up your gas. So that's kind of annoying. I have used it for towing. I kind of think that the 2x2 hitch is a little bit larger than it should be because my hitch kind of wiggled around in there. It still towed the boat just fine. Small little 18-foot boat, just a day sailor. I've used it to pull out fence posts and get pulled out, and it works great. I really like this handle. It's a little bit too tough for my girlfriend to get, but man, does it have a great design on it. It's got these two pins here that go right into here, and when twisted, it locks it on. It's a little heavy right now because I went ahead and mounted these two jerrycan mounts from Smittybilt, which of course is not the actual brand, and that's why they lean out like they do. They don't just do that when they're full, they also do that when they're empty. These are both currently full right now. Let's see what else. I like that it's got a greasable fitting on it. And even full, it still manages to close. It's really heavy to move, but it still manages to go ahead and do that. I got this bag in here from Rugged Ridge, and inside of there I'm able to keep my strap. I got a siphon for the gas, so that it's really handy to have that. Takes up less space inside. See what else. I still am working on getting a third tail light mounted up here. I don't know what kind I'm going to use. Kind of have problems finding one for a 15-inch rim with this whole pattern. So because it's so heavy, it doesn't close quite right. I almost have to lift it up a little bit, but then it's all good. But yeah, it served me real well. Anything else I needed to talk about?